Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. In the figure given below, the circle has a chord AB of length 12 cm which makes an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle. So this AB is a chord which makes an angle of 60 degree at the center. Okay, so let's say this is 60 degree. Okay, so because this is 60 degree, see here itself, because this is 60 degree and these two are radius, they will be same. So we can say triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Okay, because this angle and this angle will also be same, so this is an equilateral triangle. Let's see what is in the question. ABCD as shown in the diagram is a rectangle. OQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB intersecting the chord AB at P. Okay, so OQ is some perpendicular bisector of AB intersecting AB at P. So because this is perpendicular bisector, here it will be perpendicular as well as bisecting AB. So length of AB is given as 12. So this will be 6 and this will also be 6. Okay, and this OQ is bisecting AB at P. So let's name this point as P. Okay, and further, this OQ is also meeting the arc AB at M and CD at Q. Okay, so this OQ is like this. This is M. Okay, the area of the region enclosed by the line segments AQ. Okay, AQ is a line segment. Then QB is a line segment, and arc BMA. Okay, so we need to find out area of this segment, this shaded region. Okay, we need to find out area of this shaded region. Okay, so see, to get the area of the shaded region, if we know the area of quadrilateral OAQB, and from that if we subtract the area of sector OAB, or rather OAMB, we will get the area of shaded region, right? So required area will be area of quadrilateral OAQB minus area of sector OAMB. Okay, this is the required area that we need. So now what will be the area of quadrilateral OAQB? Okay, so if we see OQ is a perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so OQ and AB are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so that makes us very easy to find out the area of OAQB. So in that case it will be 2 into area of triangle OAQ, right? Because if OQ is dividing these two into equal parts, so if we get the area of OAQ, we can multiply it by 2, and minus area of sector OAMB will be, so it will be pi r square. R is 12 here. Okay, this is given as 12, this is given as 12. This was not given, but because length of AB is 12 and this triangle is equilateral triangle, so OA and OB both will be 12. So area of sector OAMB will be pi r square. R is 12 by 6. Okay, how we have got this? See, area is 360 degree. 360 degree at the center acquires an area of pi r square. So here 60 degree will acquire an area of pi r square by 360 into 60. Okay, so this will be pi r square by 6. So from here we have borrowed this. Okay, so this will be the area of sector. Now this area of OAQ, this will be 2 into area of OAQ will be half into base into height. Base is OQ, which is it is given that OM equals to MQ and because OM will be 12, because OM is the radius of the circle and radius is 12. So OM equals to MQ will be 24. Okay. So area of OQ will be half into base is 24 into height. Height is equals to AP, and because AB was 12 and AQ is bisecting AB, so AP will be 6 minus this 6, 12 square will become 12 into 2. Okay, so this will be 24 pi, and from here we'll have 2 will get cancelled, we have 24 into 6, so 24 we can take common, so here we'll have 6 minus pi will be 22 by 7. So 7 6 is 42 minus 22 will be 20. Okay, so this will be 24 minus 20 by 7. Okay, so because we need to find out the approximate area, 7 3s we can cancel this, it will be slightly less than 3, close to 2 point something. Okay, but we can take the approximate value, and this will be 4 3s are 2, 72. Okay, so slightly less than 72, so the closest option matching is 69. Okay, so 69 is the correct option in this case. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.